Welcome. Mastering English pronunciation with tongue twisters. Learning English pronunciation is one of the biggest challenges for language learners. Many people know hundreds of words but still struggle to sound natural. Clear pronunciation requires daily training of the tongue, lips, and facial muscles. One of the best tools for this is the tongue twister. A tongue twister is a sentence designed to be difficult to say quickly and clearly. Example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Practicing these sentences builds precision and flexibility in speech. They also sharpen your listening skills for similar English sounds. The main goal is clarity first, not speed. Start slowly, then increase your pace as your accuracy improves. Tongue twisters strengthen both vowel and consonant pronunciation. For example, an S practice with she sells seashells is excellent. For R and L, try red lorry, yellow lorry. For P and B, say Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Each repetition connects your brain and mouth more efficiently. Over time, correct pronunciation becomes automatic. Pronunciation is essential for effective communication. Even perfect grammar won't help if people can't understand your words. Tongue twisters are especially useful for accent improvement. Their playful nature makes learning enjoyable instead of boring. You only need 5 to 10 minutes of daily practice. Record your voice and compare it with a native speaker. Practice in front of a mirror to see your tongue and lip movement. Notice where each sound is produced in your mouth. The sound, as in think, requires the tongue between the teeth. The sound, as in is, uses the same position but is voiced. Many learners mix these sounds. Tongue twisters fix that problem. Correct pronunciation builds speaking confidence. You'll speak naturally without overthinking each word. Fluency increases as your pronunciation improves. Focus on rhythm, stress, and intonation, the melody of English. English has its own musical pattern that must be practiced. Tongue twisters help you internalize this rhythm. Group practice makes it fun and competitive. Challenge your friends, who can say it fastest and clearest. Don't worry about mistakes, laughter is part of the process. Consistent practice, even for a few minutes daily, works wonders. Within weeks, your accent and clarity will noticeably improve. These exercises also expand your vocabulary naturally. Many tongue twisters include rare or interesting words. Thus, you train your pronunciation and learn new terms. Good pronunciation makes communication smoother. In job interviews or presentations, clear speech shows professionalism. Teachers often use tongue twisters as warm-up activities in class. If you want a native-like accent, mimic native stress and tone patterns. Use YouTube, pronunciation dictionaries, or learning apps for guidance. Don't be afraid of mistakes, they are proof of progress. Pronunciation practice is like muscle training for your mouth. The more you train, the more natural your speech becomes. The goal isn't perfection but clear, confident communication. Tongue twisters offer a fun path toward that clarity. Choose one every day and practice with focus. Begin slowly, then gradually increase speed while staying precise. Enjoy the process, learning is faster when it's fun. You'll soon notice smoother speech and sharper articulation. Strong pronunciation opens doors to confidence and fluency. Master your tongue, and English will follow effortlessly. Smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes.